Today we're featuring a 2017 certified Honda Ridgeline RTL. It's lunar silver metallic in color. It's got 7,000 miles on it. It's a Carfax one owner and it's got a clean Carfax. I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. It does have the push button lock unlock feature. Driver's side of the vehicle looks good. Make our way to the back here. Does have the tow hitch back here. It is equipped with the rear backup camera. Go ahead and let you check the bed out here. Alright, really cool feature about the Ridgeline. It does have your traditional tailgate that comes down, but it also has a feature here with the release button here. It also opens this way as well. Alright, and then you can access some more storage down here. There's your spare tire there. But the bed of the truck looks good. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything's in really good shape on this certified Ridgeline. Alright, exterior of the vehicle's in good shape. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Alright, two-tone door panels. Got the black with the gray. Nice metallic trim there. Power locks, power windows. Power driver's seat. It does have the gray leather perforated insert. Alright, they are heated seats. Does have your keyless entry key fob with remote start. Passenger seat looks good. No problems there. It is an automatic. Does have your dual climate controls, heated seats. It's going to have your backup camera there, their AM/FM display, leather wrapped steering wheel. It's got Bluetooth with steering wheel audio controls. Alright, we'll go ahead and check out your mileage. Okay, it's got 7,939 miles on it. Now that we got it started, go ahead and show you your display screen up here and dim that down a little bit. Alright, but I'll go ahead and engage your backup camera. It does have the dual climate controls, push button start, and it also has your heated seats. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Door panels look good. Back seat leather's in good shape. No issues back here. It's got the nice convenient cup holders there. Alright. Another cool feature about the Ridgeline is it's got your pull handle here. You simply just lift that up there. Okay, locks into place. Opens up some more storage for you there. And it simply comes right back down. Go ahead and give you your driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, but everything's been well taken care of inside and out on this Ridgeline. 7,000 miles on it, and of course I already showed you the bed of the truck. Alright, it's in really good shape. Let's go ahead and check out your wheels and tires. 18-inch alloys. Alright, tires are in good shape, still plenty of tread left on them. Alright, once again, it's a 2017 certified Honda Ridgeline. Alright, it's got 7,000 miles on it. It's in fantastic shape inside and out. It's a Carfax one owner. It's got a clean Carfax. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thank you for watching the video.